Okay, so it's a Memorial Day weekend. We're actually out to return my Temp 2 airbrush. I have to return it because it's broken. And at the same time, we're gonna stop by at Best Buy because Archie needs a mouse. That's it. I just dropped off my Temp 2 airbrush at a FedEx drop-off center. I'll miss that rose gold. Okay, off to Best Buy. Ding 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 ding. Look, it's only 12 bucks. We're gonna get this. I'm just kidding. No, I don't know if it's Bluetooth.
It's 128 gig. It's still under 300 bucks.
Open box iPad. Well, well, well. I don't think Odin needs it. So here's the difference between the newest one and then the previous. Can we just get the logistics?
This is a Magic Mouse
Logitech.
2. Yeah, this is the 2.
Can you put that back, please? Uy, shoot. What letter? What letter? U. What letter? But good job! How about this? What letter is this? You're done? You just started. Okay, we're done. But Mosh found, what did you find, Mosh? Keep
On my
walking.
app, I have 100 and something. What is that? Let me see. $160 gift certificate. So we're going back. We're gonna go buy some GoPro.
We're gonna get our GoPro. Oh, this is how exciting! I can't wait. What? We are? Let's see if we could use $160, and then on top of that, it's 50%. No, $50 off of the retail price. Then we'll get it. Let's see. Okay, so we walked out the store again. And what did you get, Mosh?
I just got.
So bad.
Yeah.
Wow. This is what I'm talking about. You go in the store, you buy one thing for one thing, and you come out with additional things. So anyways, we got it on sale and then we used our certificate credit. So basically, we almost got it for like 50% off with the SD card. How much? Oh, look at this. Guess what? It's too close. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how this works. But I'm kind of excited to use it because it's small, portable, and it's 4K. Oh yeah, so like we were saying, we got it for like a better price. It's actually $50 off right now. We also had like 160 certificate, so that's like a total of almost $200. $399 plus $50 off. Plus, we used our $160 on top of that. We got it for $180. So why not, right? And then we got the SD card half price as well. So the total of everything with the SD is 240 something bucks. Why not? Haha. The damage has been done. Oh, I can't wait to use this.